There you go.
Well, welcome, AI Explorers, to our Midjourney Monday. Today we're going to do futuristic sports with robots. So let me throw that prompt in here. I'm going to copy this over.
Let's do it. Love
and
hopping into Midjourney with you.
Jump into my Midjourney so we can see the screen here.
You got it?
Going to paste it in there. All right. So we've got futuristic sports events with robots. I'm doing rough, gritty quality with rich detail with a dynamic and asymmetrical layout. And I'm doing sports photography with a cinematic lighting. So we're going to see what that does with some stylization because we're going for that photorealism here for this one. And then I'm going to paste in another as we wait for that. Gonna put that in here, and then this one is the same thing, but I changed this to a tech magazine illustration. So we're going to omit the photography or the photorealism and get some illustration of this and see what happens with it. So we've started it. And Jacob, what are you looking at doing? You mentioned earlier that you're going to do specific sports.
Right. So first I'm going to start off with a soccer game. And instead of doing the rich, gritty quality, we're going to do a dreamlike quality. Again, with robots and humans. So it's an interesting kind of concept. I see that yours has already popped up. And then I'm also going to do, I'm going to do another sport. I'll show you later. It'll make you laugh.
Okay. I'm going to pull this one up. Okay, it's not really pulling in the gritty quality. I mean, yes and no. Gritty sports are gritty, right? But it doesn't look like it even delved into a sport. They just like robots on an assembly floor, except for the one on the top right that has some stadium seating, I guess.
Yeah, I like the stadium seating one. It looks good.
Oh, I really like this other one, though, this tech one with the tech illustration. Look at the bottom left, how it's got that illustrative quality, and then it looks like they're kicking a ball or something.
Ooh, yeah, that does
or ice skating. Who knows what that is? And then the top left looks like a blood sport game where they've released the hounds on some unfortunate thing. And
pretty cool
the bottom right looks pretty good. It looks like the robots have clashed and an arm has come free.
Pretty neat. I like it.
All right, so let's see what yours does. Oh, swimming with robots.
That's what I wanted to go with. But so there you have it. That's your taste of ridiculous today. I mean, they can hold their breath for a long time. Let's be honest, right?
Like they don't need to breathe. That is true. That's fantastic. I love the synchronized swimming. What else did you do? Any others? Okay, you got a soccer game.
Yeah,
that's got to be something amazing, though. A friend of mine loves playing Rocket League, which is you run around with powered cars and shoot goals with powered cars. So.
Look at the one on the bottom left, bro. Like, imagine being a goalie and this giant robot that size comes
setting up.
Scott setting up for the win. You know, like
yeah. Setting up for that, and you're like, I'm not blocking that. I'm just not
doing penalty kicks today, guys. We're just not doing it.
Jeez. And then the cage match soccer down at the bottom. It's fantastic.
Oh yeah, that was pretty cool. I want to do one more. Let's do one more each.
Do one more. I'm going to do. Now that you've got me thinking, okay.
Yeah, I wanted to pick a specific sport just because I thought I'm trying to think what else would be completely absurd. Like the synchronized swimming was pretty good. Water polo. I think volleyball would be pretty easy for it to do, but I like to challenge Midjourney. I like to make it really, really think about just something bizarre. Ooh, I got it. This is going to be awesome.
The futuristic skateboarding tournament with robots.
What do you see mine?
What did you do?
Futuristic Quidditch.
Okay. It took it a moment to come up on the screen there for me.
It's all
that's gonna be fantastic.
What do we do here? Yeah, hopefully it's pretty cool. We'll see.
Well, and see, this is when our earlier trials, and just for our audience's sake, our earlier trials when we were testing this prompt, robots and humans, it just really focused on robots for me. So I just stuck with, I just removed the human quality, just to have it a singular focus, because as we've talked about before, that it can be,
it struggles with multiple things.
It struggles with multiple subjects. So I like the skateboarding. It's pretty cool. Having grown up with a brother who loved his skateboarding, and
that's pretty sweet.
Who
I like it.
Was always asking me to draw on his decks for his skateboards. So
I like that.
And then what do you have? Quidditch here. They're getting really intense. They got laser beams and
there are lasers. Look at that top right. There. Forget a beater. You're just going down. It's not a beater. It's a blaster. That's the position.
It's a blaster. Yep.
Do you see a snitch in here anywhere? A golden snitch?
I couldn't say that there's a golden.
I don't know that it really knew what to do with Quidditch. I mean, it's struggling.
Mm-hmm.
Struggling. All right. Well,
not enough reference.
Nice try. It was a nice try.
Yeah.
It was a nice try.
But that was a fantastic exploration, and we'll see you guys the next time on our Midjourney Monday.
See you guys. Bye.